up, Jeff? Jesse? What's going on? Whoa. Yeah, Trojan, you missed your Pat Freemuth live. Your patch out of Obsidian. You weren't around for that one. That was disappointing. What's up, Brian? Joshua? Jim? Kevin? Yeah, I was expecting you to have a comment about that one because I saw the colors. What? Jesse, I'll be happy to pull it for you, brother. I know it's a rare chance out of retail, but I had to put the option up because come on, Christian, we didn't even start yet. Can you imagine if I didn't include the 101 and I pulled it? I would end up like on what's that card porn site? Card tube. Quicker than backyard breaks. Alright, let's put up a list. Dude, there's gotta be one in there, right? At least. Alright guys, I appreciate the quick fill payments. All that good stuff. Starting off fresh this week. Shipments are in the mail. I just checked. It must have been slow motion with the post office over the weekend. So they're in transit. Everything's in transit. So hopefully in the next couple days they'll be arriving. They charge us more and it's slower shipping. And I work there and I still don't get it. But it is what it is. Alright. Cardinals, Matthew. Falcons going to Mark, Money Thomas. Ravens, Kevin. Bills, Lucas. Panthers, Jim Jennings. Bears going to Brian. Bengals, Adrian B. Brownies and Cowboys, Matthew. Broncos, Lions, Chet. Packers to Brad. Texans to Drew. Colts, Joshua. Jaguars, Sean D. Chiefs, Kevin. Raiders, Jeff Jones. Chargers, Matthew. Rams to Roland. What's up, brother? Been a minute. Good to see you back. Dolphins, Chet. Vikings, Jesse. Patriots, Christian, Jesse. Saints, PJ. Giants, Joshua. Jets, Lucas. Eagles going to Pat. Steelers going to Trojan, of course. 49ers, Jeff Jones. Seahawks to Keith. Buccaneers to Ed. Titans to Matthew. And the Commanders, Joshua. I appreciate you closing it out, sir. Houston Texans, the only one in, not for the 101. 2376. $23.76. I'm just playing. Y'all know that. Alright, so blasters? Yeah, we'll do blasters. And then cellos. These are the first cellos I'm breaking. They got the red, white, and blue. Alright, good luck, boys and girls. Some retail luck. Let's get some retail luck. Empty, number one. Mr. Robert Woods. These are Walmart, so they have the laser inserts. But those are Target Megas. Which are a little better than Walmart, because Walmart, you're not guaranteed an auto or a mem. It's weird. Like, how are you not going to guarantee one or the other? They're like, you spend $60 and you don't get schnit. Shockey, our first laser. It's going to be rookie Eric Stokes for Green Bay. I think that's Mr. Brad. Little Eric Stokes. Buckner. Jeff Okuda. That guy's been injury prone. Hopefully he has a better year. Rookie for the Vikings. Smith Marset. And Chad Ochocinco. We wanted the rookie. And we get Ocinco. That's what happens, though, it seems like, with this product. Silver's in this one. You got Warner, Mr. Curtis Samuel. Insert Trey Lawrence make an appearance on the new recruits. And our silver is going to be... Oh, I had it right the first time. Not a rookie. Thurman Thomas. Old school. Old school Thurman Thomas on the Prism. New recruit. Jags going to Sean D. Vernon. Dylan. Trey Nixon, rookie. For the Patriots, of course. Wouldn't be the guy we wanted. Laser, rookie. Mika! And a kid reporter. At least it was the right Cowboy that time. Going to Dallas. Matthew Murray. There's 5 other rookies. Glad it wasn't one of them. So on the Laser Prism, Mika. Jacoby. Little Larry Johnson. Gronk. Should be this way, right? Not a rookie. Ty Law. Wow. Is he in this? Does he actually have autos? I'm not sure if every person that has a card has an auto, but that'd be cool to get a Ty Law auto, just because. I mean, not worth a lot of money, but I'd be like, hey, I got a Ty Law auto. First blaster done. Brooks. There's Thurman Thomas base. Palmer. Josh Palmer, rookie. A little print line in the middle. Not a rookie again. That's Justin Jefferson. It's not the 101, Jesse. Did get a laser, though. Alright, blaster 1. Nothing spectacular. Hopefully, other ones are better. I'm going to cut all these while we're doing. I mean, you guys know retail's a crapshoot. But I got a shit ton of it. There's got to be a banger in there somewhere. I would hope. I mean, so far they've been pretty decent. There's been a few that have been duds. But you have that with retail. Little Largent. Steven. Ryan Fitz. Hardy Nickerson. This might be a rookie. It's not. Kyler Murray. It's cool for Arizona. I thought definitely might be a rookie because there was a lot of vets in that pack. Two Savage Jr. Holland, rookie for Miami. Not a rookie. Who? Jamal Williams? Who's that guy? Detroit football. Oh, he was with the Packers in 2020. Yeah, I don't know. Probably nothing special. Christian, I gotta prove you wrong, bro. DK. Oh, Cortland Sutton. Devin Bush. Can we get a rookie? No. Oh, maybe. Of course. It's the other Cowboy. Jabril Cox. So Dallas getting a couple lasers. Oh, it might be a patch, boys. I was hoping one or two of them have a patch. Xavier Rhodes, the silver's coming up. Kenyon Drake. Is he really on the Raiders? I forgot about that. Rookie. Going to the Panthers. Terrence Marshall Jr. And then our silver. Rookie. Justin Fields, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Brian Fake, baby! What's happening? What's up? Nice. Justin Fields silver. Finally, a little bit of something out of this stuff. That's what I'm talking about. Did you say that? Was that your PC? You said you were a Bears fan. I didn't know that at first. But I like the kid because he's from the Ohio State University. Right, dude? Joshua, you ain't lying, man. Good to see a little fire. That's a great quote. Nice. I hope... I'm not confident on the new coaching staff for the Bears, but I'm hoping... I'm praying. I hate that Ohio State quarterback, you know. There's that thing out there, they say we suck, but hopefully he can change it around. Mims, Beasley, Maya Brown, rookie for Washington. And we got a rookie for the Panthers. Jimmy, I gave you another Chubba. Jimmy likes my Chubs. I know it's Chuba, but there's an ongoing joke that I give Jimmy Chubs. Chubba Hubbard on the laser. Nice. Good to see Chubba coming back in the game. Kid Reporter. Yeah. Dude, Brian, I'm a Browns fan, so I'm right there with you, brother. I am right there. Right? Like, I know Watson's going to be gone at least a year. I don't care what everyone else says. Oh, we got a patch and a laser. Same pack. Usually, from what I remember, there was only one or the other, but hey, we'll take it. Alright, the base, White and Jefferson. Pretty close, man. We're pretty close. Alright, the laser, not a rookie. Amari Cooper. He's on the Browns now. I'm excited to see what he can do from Jacoby Brissett. We'll see if Jacoby can get him the ball. Alright, patch, boys. We got a patch. Let's see what it is. Rookie gear. Going to the Ravens, Rashad Bateman. Kevin, did you hit one? No, you had the other version, I think. The sideways one, so I think this one's different. So that's cool. A little Rashad Bateman Prism patch. Nice. I'll take it. That was definitely a better blaster. Alright. Let's continue with those silvers of QBs. Box. Number. Trace. It feels like there's a lot of cards, but it's 4 cards per pack, so it's really not that many. Oh, yeah. Where'd I do with Chubba? I'll put him up there, Jim. Of course. He qualifies to be up on the next to the Bears. You got a first round draft pick quarterback this week or last week, whenever it was. Baker's going to be handing off to Chuba. Montana, Hawkinson, Denzel Ward, and our Prism. Not a rookie, Leonard Floyd for the Rams. Baker. I'm interested to see what happens in Carolina. T.Y. Nick Chubb's cousin. A little Trayvon Morrig rookie. And not a rookie, Adrian Amos. Missed the D. Hate when you miss the D. That's what she said. What? I'm curious to see if these settles are any good. Edmonds, they were on target for a while, so I just threw them in there. I didn't even charge extra. Hopefully we get a red, white, and blue of something nice. Rookie? Eagles? Oh, Gainwell. Damn it. That's one of the ones where they go, gotcha. Oh, do we got another patch, boys? We might. Brian, with the Browns' luck, I wouldn't be surprised. Or he'll at least score 4 touchdowns week 1. He may suck the rest of the year, but he's definitely going to score 4 touchdowns on week 1. Alright, so a silver pack. Noah Fant. Let's see what's behind him. DeAndre Hopkins insert. And our silver rookie, Gary Brightwell for the Giants. Damn it. Is that Joshua? I think you came in and snatched them up. I was hoping it was at least Tony Kadarius, but it's Gary Brightwell. Is a silver rookie, though. Noah. Hey, silver's, yeah, it's better than nothing, right, brother? I still don't understand why they put the kid reporters in there. I guess it's to make the weight even. So I'm pretty sure they're not even good. Marshall. Irv Smith Jr. Trey Sermon for the 49ers. Rookie. Base. Uh-oh. Is it a rookie? It is. Oh, why couldn't we have... I thought it was another... I know it couldn't be another Fields. It's Khalil Herbert. I was like, oh, this is going to be a Fields kind of day. They brought us back down to reality for a little bit. Herbert. Trey Sermon. He was injured last year. He was great at Ohio State for the 1 year, so I'm curious to see what he does. Last pack. I think it's a patch. Christian, I was waiting for a comment, bro, because I'm like, damn, nothing. Yep, there's a patch and a laser. Sweet. Alright, we got Tunsil and Antonio Gibson. I don't know why I'm laughing. Baker Mayfield's competition, Sam Darnold. Could that be Baker Mayfield's backup, or is he going to be the starter? What do you guys think? Honest opinions. I think if you can't beat out Sam Darnold, you're in trouble. Alright, let's see what the patch is, boys. I think this is one of the sideways. Oh. It's not bad. Premier, Jalen Waddle, going to Miami. Nice. Going back to Miami. Chet with the Dolphins. So, 2 patches. Waddle. It's so far. Alright, one more blaster. Then we'll do the cellos and then the mega. Mega! Yeah, I hear you. I hear what you guys are saying. They gotta start Baker, right? After everything that's been happening, there's no way. Like, if he sucks, then bench him, whatever, you know? But you're, like, you gotta start him at least. His shoulder is completely healed. Let's see what he's got. Chenault Jr. Murray. Sample, is that a rookie? It is. Squiddy, pain in my ass. This dude from the damn Michigan Wolverines. I gave him that nickname because the beginning of last year's product, I was pulling him every other break for Mitch. And he's from Michigan. So I had to give him... Oh, I think we got another patch, boys. That's 3 patches out of 4. That's not too bad. That's a pretty good percentage. Tannehill. This might be the silver. Kelsey. Insert behind. Fireworks of Darren Waller. See our silver. Rookie. Dwayne Eskridge. That's going to a PC for Keith. A little Dwayne Eskridge, silver. I think this kid was special teams, wasn't he, last year? Not too sure. Nick Bosa from the Ohio State University. Perryman. Hey, there's our Justin Fields base. That's more than we've seen of any other QB. And rookie behind him, Greg Ross. Yeah. The Frenchman. So Jay Fields showing up. The other quarterbacks, not yet. And a pain in the ass kid reporter behind it. Buffalo. Lucas. Alright, 2 left. Then the 3 left. 1 has the patch, I believe. Oh, that ripped. Mark Brunell. Going to the Jags. Melvin Gordon. Cooper. Is it a rookie? It's not. That was a veteran pack all the way. Van Jefferson for the Rams. Another Largent. Barry. Some old school in this pack. There's my man. Jeremiah Owusu Karamoa for the Cleveland Browns. Base rookie. And veteran Miko Hardman. I like Owusu. He was number 6 at Notre Dame. I wonder if he takes Baker's number. That is a question. I wonder if he does. Alright, last pack of the blasters. Let's get a banger. Mr. Donald on top. 2 base. Randy Moss. The laser. Yetur Gross Matos for Carolina. Patch. Oh! Wrong freaking team, Christian. Ramondre Stevenson. Damn it. That patch has a little something in it. See that right there? Why couldn't it be Mr. Mac Jones? I know it's not Mac Jones, bro. I'm aware of that. Alright, cellos. On to the cellos. Let's get some red, white, and blue quarterbacks. I don't have him. Trying to open that. There we go. So we got one big pack, and then the red, white, and blue. Oh. Alright. Bonus packs. Alright, here we go. Whoa. Base on top. Singletary. Derwin James. Brock Lesnar! That's fucking sweet. That's cool. That's cool that he's on this. Patrick Queen. Color coming up soon. Jordan Lewis. We got Mika base. A green. Damian Harris. And Chase Claypool. It's all about the hype. Jeff Trojan, is this the first Steelers card? I think we had this conversation last week that it seems Steelers are hard to pull in this, or is it just me? Green, Prism, and a Mika base. I'm pretty sure. Trojan probably fell asleep. There were no Steelers. Will Fuller. Kittle. Curse. Oh, that's right. There was a Devin Bush. Bo! Ed Oliver. LaDainian. Antonio Brown, the clown. Derek Barnett. Mark Andrews should be a rookie. Aziz for the Giants base. Green. Trey Maine Edmonds. Man, I hope the red, white, and blue are better. It's all about the hype, I guess. Well, you talked it up, so maybe there will be, Christian. Alright, here we go. Red, white, and blues. Red, white, and blues. DJ Shark. Billy Sims. And Kyle Pitts. Kyle Pitts. Nice Kyle Pitts for Hotlanta. Finally, Hotlanta gets something, Mr. Mark Money Thomas. So, nice little red, white, and blue Kyle Pitts. Next pack. Come on. Come on, come on. Devontae Parker. Joey B. Rookie. Theo Odingobo for the Colts. Hey, that's Joshua. Well, Pitts definitely took that. Yeah, Sells. Yeah. I'd only have a few of those. I mean, sure, if you hit a big rookie, it's going to be nice. But if you don't, eh. Alright, Megas. Megas, treat us better, please. Nobody has made an appearance except for Justin Fields, right? That's crazy. That is crazy. Especially 3 out of the 4 blasters had patches. I mean, that's pretty good odds. I mean, the Waddle was probably the best one, but... And the Silver Fields, that's the only thing that's saving the break right now. Maybe something in the Megas. These are target Megas, so 1 auto or mem per box on average. Go, boys. These are the pinks, I believe. Evans, Slay, Jamar Jefferson, rookie for Detroit. Rookie! Jalen Camp for the Jaguars. See, they start doing this shit. Jalen Camp. Like, really? Really, bro? Shit, I'm flying through sleeves. Hold on a minute. Yeah, we're getting these retail breaks, man. Fly through some supplies. TJ Rich Gannon. There's a Waddle base and a pink Fletcher Cox. So nice Waddle base. Waddle. I'm gonna move these base over because they're getting kind of top heavy. Alright. You can stretch out Chuba. Gallup. Kittle, this is the silver. Oh. Trayvon Morrig. And then the silver. Not a rookie. Kyler Murray. Matthew Murray. I think, is Morrig the only rookie the Raiders have? From what I remember. That feels thick. Damn, did we get a patch? It feels thick. I could be wrong. Devin White, Deion Jones. Another Jalen Camp. Come on already, Panini. Are you serious? And Joey B, the breaks insert, and a Kid Turner. How many Jalen Camps do we need? Christian, you're cracking up, bro. Hey, it's something. Baker! Jimmy, that's coming to you. No, I'm just kidding. You don't have the Browns. Soon, incoming. Oh my god. God, Christian. I'm sorry, dude. I'm not trying to laugh. Just now you have a base. Rookie. Ah! I'm not. Bro! Dude! Oh, I'm sorry for laughing, but we can't make this shit up anymore. This is fucking hilarious. Oh my god. I'm crying. I won't get them on your cards, though. I promise. You can't make this shit up. Dude, I'm putting all these up here. Christian is hitting. Christian is hitting like crazy. Oh, We're moving the Justin Fields silver. Oh, dude. Dude, if he blows up, you're in it, dude. If he blows up, you just remember where you pulled these from. Don't forgive me. Oh, I couldn't even say that with a straight. Oh shit! I'm knocking over Juba. Look at this Ramondre Stevenson collection. Oh my god! Holy shit! You can't make this shit up. You can't make this up, right? Okay. Alright. I can't believe there was a base and a pink. Now, if it was Mac Jones, I would have been screaming. But no, it's that guy and I'm crying, laughing, because we were just talking shit about him. Matt Jones. Brian Jones. Oh, of course, Levi. Pink. Marshall Falk? What the? That's a cool card. Because there's not a lot of Marshall Falk. But right now, I don't know what to expect. Trash rainbow. You could probably fill that rainbow for like $10, bro. Holy shit, I need a good laugh today, bro. I'm sorry it's at your expense. I'll hook you up with something, dude. Oh, man. Deontay Johnson. Another Brock Lesnar. Has he got autos in this? That'd be cool to pull. Greg Newsome! I love this kid. I love this kid. For the Brownies. No rookies. Miles Sanders, boo. Oh, man. You never know what's going to happen in these breaks, right? Adrian, yeah, but you missed it. You missed it. The Ramon Dre Stevenson back-to-back cards. I don't know if you saw that shit. After Christian was just talking shit about him because I pulled a patch. Cameron Jordan. We got Xavier Collins, rookie for Arizona. Another non-rookie, DeAndre Swift for Detroit. Come on, give us some rookies at least. Oh, man. Alright, one pack left, and then the hit. Yeah, that's the only thing saving this break, Adrian, is the Fields silver. Nobody else has showed up, and I'm not joking. No other quarterback has showed up. Not even an insert. It's unheard of. And who the fuck is this guy? Monty Rice for the Titans? Oh! Oh! We got a checkerboard! Is it a rookie? It's not. What the fuck? Who the hell is Ian Thomas, Jim? Oh. I fucking can't. I can't. Why would they even do this? That's almost as bad as when we pulled the Patriots. We saw the Patriots and it was Cam Newton. Case hit Ian Thomas. Who the fuck is Ian Thomas? Jimmy, don't say I never pulled you nothing. This shit's getting better and better by the fucking packs. Oh my lord. What is going on? Fireworks. Saquon. Holy shit. Okay, one. Here we go. Patch or an auto? I don't know what's going to be in here. I'm not even going to try to guess. Looks like a patch. It's behind it. Silver. Justin Jefferson. I can't believe I just pulled an Ian Thomas checkerboard. Singletary. Another Trey Sermon, of course. The patch. A little better. Kyle Trask for Tampa Bay. I can't even get excited for Kyle Trask of what I just witnessed. Ian Thomas, whoever the hell that is. for the Panthers checkerboard. That has to be the worst checkerboard ever. It has to be, right? I'm running out of things. Last mega. Please save us something. Please. My two checkerboards have been Cam Newton on the Patriots and Ian Thomas for the Panthers. Oh, there's a pack in there. Don't want to miss that. Don't want to be like those guys with the redemption that they didn't see it. Wasn't it Justin Fields too? Those fucking clowns. Oh boy. Alright. Come on. Let's end with something more than Ian Thomas checkerboard. Slayton. JK. Alright. Trey Lance base. So another quarterback makes an appearance. Jeff Jones. And a fireworks. Alright. Okay. Fireworks. Trevor. Finally, Sean D showed up a little bit. I know it's an insert, but hey. What are they going to do with Jimmy G? Keep him? Campbell. Singletary. 2-2 for the Rams. Hank. Rookie. Green. Jets, Jets, Jets! Elijah Moore. You couldn't even give us a pink Zach Wilson. Dude, what's up with Zach Wilson banging Cougars? How come we've not talked about that? Banging his mom's best friend. That dude has got it, man. I don't know if you saw the story or haven't. Banging his mom's best friend. Cheating on his hot-ass girlfriend for some cougar. Guess he can do what he wants, right? Jalen Smith. Michael Thomas. Frank Darby, rookie. There's that Frank Darby guy, Mark Thomas. Right, Mike? Please be a rookie. Please be a rookie. It's not Fred Warner. Zach Wilson, hero. We got a glare on the Stevenson. Oh, Jesus Christ. Please be. I saw the name. I saw the team. Please be a rookie. It's not. I was hoping it was Waddle. Christian Wilkins, silver. And Nashawn Wright for the boys. Who? I don't know. I'm not peeking anymore. Sammy! The base. Chenault. Some of these got a wicked curve. But that happens with Prism. J.C. Horn. And another non-rookie, Landon Collins for the Commanders. Jimmy, you should have every Panthers rookie after a couple of these breaks. My man, Denzel. Another Brock. Dude, I didn't pull any Brocks, and then this break, I think this is the third. Sewell, rookie for Detroit. And insert Fields. So it's a Justin Fields kind of day. The break insert going to Jay Fields. So the Bears can't complain. Brian. Let's pull a banger auto out of retail. Let's go. Come on. Hurst. Sample. That fucking Nico Collins. Is it a rookie? Chargers? No, Rams. Jake Funk for the Rams. Who? The fuck is Jake Funk? Excuse my language. I'll be happy not to pull another Nico Collins the rest of my breaking career. 3 left, boys. Still looking for a patch or an auto. Amari. Patrick Mahomes. Trey McKitty. OBJ Pink for the Brownies. That's a slap in the face for Jesus. Oh, I think the last one's a patch. Damn it. Mr. Brady. Donald. Najee Harris, rookie. Silver. CD Lamb. Oh, that's part of the pack. So Najee base. So there's another Steeler, Trojan. Is that your third? At least it was a rookie. Last pack, guys. I can't even describe this break of what happened. It's nothing surprises me, but this one is one that I'll probably remember for a little while, just because Christian Jesse was in it and took the Patriots, and I pulled him 3 Ramondre Stevenson, and then Jim Jennings, I pulled him at Ian Thomas checkerboard. All right, T.J. Hawkinson. Rookie base, Elijah Mitchell. 49ers. Silver of Randy Moss. 4th? Okay, 4 out of all these cards. That's... I think your theory is right, dude. There's not... Pittsburgh is not a lot in prison, or it's just the boxes that I have. All right, guys, last card of the break. Good luck. Pink. Oh, we're going this way. Rookie gear. Going to the Commanders, Joshua with another hit. You've been killing it, bro. For the lower teams, you've been killing it, man. That's not how I want to end it, but that's how we did. Alright, let's do a recap of this stuff. I'm just going to do personals from now on, because at least I only piss off one person. No, I mean, some of you guys got some nice stuff. It's just, I can't believe not even one base quarterback besides Justin Fields. No Lawrence, no Davis Mills, no Mac Jones, no Justin. Yeah, there was a Justin Fields base. It's pretty crazy. All right, here we go. Recap over, I guess, if you want to call them the better hits of the break. And here we go. Jake Funk on the pink. Justin Fields on the break insert. Elijah Moore on the pink rookie. Trey Lance, rookie base. Fireworks, Trevor Lawrence. Jalen Waddle, rookie base. Dio, that was the red, white, blue rookie. Kyle Pitts, red, white, blue rookie. Greg Rousseau, that's the laser rookie. Justin Fields, that's a base. Dwayne Eskridge, that's a silver rookie. Quiddy Payne, MIS, that's a laser rookie. Khalil Herbert, laser rookie. Gary Brightwell, that's a silver rookie. Kenneth Gainwell, laser rookie. Jabril Cox, laser rookie. Mika, laser rookie. New recruits, so I guess Lawrence showed up a little bit. That is insert rookie. Eric Stokes on the laser. Patches, Rashad Bateman. Maya Brown. Kyle Trask. Jalen Waddle. And the run for our man, Ramondre Stevenson patch, rookie. Ramondre Stevenson base, rookie. Hold on, where's it at? And then the Ramondre Stevenson pink prism, rookie. The checkerboard, Ian Thomas prism for the Panthers. Chuba, rookie laser. And then the Justin Fields silver card of the break. Going to the Bears. Alright, guys, a lot of cards. Appreciate it. Appreciate quick fill. Yeah, I really don't think the 101 is going to be in retail, but I got to put the option up there because if it does get pulled. But we'll put up some other stuff. Hopefully that I'll have a 101 chance. So, alright, guys. That's it. Appreciate it. Talk to you guys tomorrow. We'll see what we put up tomorrow. Maybe some baseball. Later.